Hello everyone. Today I am sharing HSK 1 chapter 6. The title of this chapter is Wa Hoi Sho Han Yu. Can I speak Chinese? Wa I Hoi. Can Sho Han Yu speak Chinese? This one chapter is using Hoi, which mean can or be able to. Hoi can be or able to. First of all, we have a little warm up activity. In the start of this chapter, the first is Mama. The answer is F. Second is Hans. Character. The answer is A. Third one is Chungo Sai. Chinese meal. The answer is B. The fourth one is Sho Han Yu. Speak Chinese. The answer is C. The fifth one is Xie Hans. Write characters. The answer is D. And the last one, Zo Chung Go Sai. Make Chinese food. The answer is F. This one chapter is teach us how to ask about abilities. So let's start from text 1. Ti ik in the school. Zai shui xiao in the school. The activity number A, the question is Ni hui sho han yu ma? Can you speak Chinese? Ni yu hui can sho speak han yu Chinese. Ma is for question mark. The answer is Wo hui sho han yu. Yes, I can speak Chinese. Or yes, I can speak. 我 me or for myself. Hui can show Han you speak Chinese. Next one is Ni mama hoi show Han you ma. Is your mother or can your mother speak Chinese? Ni mama your mother hoi show Han you ma. Can your mother speak Chinese? Ha pu hoi show. No, she can't. Tha pu hoi sho. Han you or tha pu hoi sho. No, she can't. So in this paragraph we have three new words. The first one is hoi, can or to be able to. The second one is sho, to speak, to say. And the third one is mama, mother. So here we learn hoi pu hoi. Hoi pu hoi. Yes or no means wa hoi sho han you? Yes, I can. Ta pu hoi sho. Pu hoi. No, she can't. So very simple and useful is for daily communication. So let's start the second text. Ti ke in the kitchen. Zai chu fang in the kitchen. Jungo sai 好吃吗？中国 Chinese Thai food 中国菜好吃吗 Is Chinese food delicious? 中国菜很好吃 Yes, very delicious or quite delicious. 你会做中国菜吗 Can you cook Chinese food? 你 you 会 can zo mean make. Chungo sai Chinese food and ma is for question mark. Ni hoizo chungo sai ma wa pu hoiso. No, I can't. Wa me I pu no hoizo I can't make. No, I can't. So in this text we have four new words. First is sai, mean dish or food. Second is hun, very, quite. The third one is 好吃, delicious, tasty. And the fourth one is 做, is for to make or to produce. And the second one part is teach us 很, 好吃 and 做. So now I can say 我会说汉语. It means I can speak Chinese. 我不会说汉语. It means no, I can't speak Chinese. And the third one is 我会做中国菜. It means yes, I can make Chinese food. So let's move forward to the text number 3. 第三课 In the library. 在图书馆，在图书馆。你会写汉字吗？你有会 can 写汉字 write Chinese character 吗？ Can you write Chinese character? Ma is for question mark. You need to remember this always. Ma. 你会说汉语吗 blah blah blah. So 你会写汉字吗 Can you write Chinese character? 我会写 Yes, I can. 我会写 Yes, I can. And 这个 mean this 是怎么写 How do you write this character? 这个字怎么写 How can write this character? We have the same meanings, but sometimes pronunciation is different. Means in Chinese, 这个 this 这个字怎么写 How do you write this character? But we also can say 这个字怎么写 How to write this Chinese character? 对不起 it means sorry. 这个字我会读 I can read it. 这个 this 字我会读读 mean read. 不会写不会写 I don't know how to write. 不会写 I can't write. So in this third text, we have learned 4 new words. 写 mean to write, 汉字 Chinese character, 字 character word, 汉字 Chinese, 字 character, 汉字 Chinese character, 字 character, 怎么 indicating the nature of condition means how we can do this 怎么. So we read in this area 写写怎么读这个字我会读不会写 This is very relatable because sometimes we can read a character but can't write correctly. So what we learned today in this chapter, we learned how to ask about abilities. Use 会 and 不会. Talk about Chinese and talk about cooking Chinese food, speaking Chinese food, and talk about reading and writing Chinese characters. I feel more confident and saying 我会说汉语 Yes, I can speak Chinese. That's all for today's class of HSK 1, chapter number 6. If you are also learning Chinese, keep practicing every day. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye bye.